All right, so if you want to see the processes, the programs, the services that are running on your system, you would use a command called PS. On Windows, it's task list. Actually, let me see that on Windows. On Let me go through something real quick. On Windows, you can't use ls. It won't work. You use dir on Windows. Okay, the dir command will work on Windows. pwd should work on Windows. To copy a file, I don't know if we copied it, but I'm gonna make a file, touch new file.txt. If I want to copy that file, I just hit the CP command for copy, but I'm gonna name it something different. Boom. All right, let's make that more realistic. I'm gonna remove everything really quick.